everyone, this is Jared Sena and I'm gonna vlog my entire week for today. So it's 7:14 and I have a class 1 p.m. So try ko mag-vlog ngayon. Gusto ko lang. Gusto kong makita niyo yung buhay ko. Makita niyo yung ginagawa ko sa buhay. Share ko lang, ganun. Share ko lang yung aking buhay, ganun. So, come with me to get ready. And pagliligo ako. So, ganun. Ay, imakain pala muna ako. So, see you na lang mamaya sa lamesa. So, I'm back. So, breakfast time. If you're wondering anong ulam ko. Typical ulam. Longganisa. Longganisa lang. So I'm done eating, so I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna take a shower first. So, kita na lang tayo tapos na maligo. Bye! Tapos na maligo. And tapos ako magdamit. Tapos na rin ako mag-deodorant, mag-toothbrush. So, hindi rin film it. So I'm wearing this shirt. Pina. I'm wearing this shirt from Shopee. It's very average shirt. It's not exaggerating. So yeah. Samahan nyo na lang ako gawin yung mga hindi ko pa nagagawa. Nag-lotion na rin pala ako. Ito yung gamit ng lotion. Vaseline. So yun. So, samahan nyo na ako gawin yung mga hindi ko pa nagagawa. Let's go. Tapos, gano'n ko. So, I'm gonna put everything here. Lagay ko dito lang. Lahat ng mga kailangan. Notes. For this for calculus, and this for engineering data analysis. Yeah. So, my subject pala kanina lang ngayon, drawing, engineering drawing. So, I don't know if kami doon, klase. Hindi pa nasabi. Mag-drawing kami or hindi. So, in case, I'm gonna bring this vellum. Yeah, this vellum and my ruler. So, yeah. This is the most important of it all. Is the calculator. As an engineering student, calculator is the most important. It's very important. Like, pero bumili ako kahapon. So, bumili ako nito kahapon. I forgot. And I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna eat this later. Yun lang ba? My wallet. My wallet na walang laman. So, if you are wondering what I'm wearing, what's my perfume is. This my perfume is from Avon. It smells like the sea. You know, I love the sea. The sea girl. So yeah, this my perfume. It smells like the ocean. If that makes sense. It's very strong. And what necklace am I going? I think I'm going to be basic. I'm gonna wear this a sun because it's almost summer. I know I love summer, so I'm gonna be wearing this. Period. So this is my sunscreen. It's very effective. The most effective sunscreen that I ever use. So this is my sunscreen. Sunbrella. It's almost empty. It's almost empty. The shade. So and Hindi lang sa mukha. Sa kamay ko rin. May gamotor ako kasi. Kaya kailangan ko protected rin yung sakit ko sa... Ito lagi kaya madalas na maubos. Nalagay ko rin sa kamay ko. May arms. So, basta siya maubos. So, anong oras na? Time check. It's 8:02. So, supposedly, di ba, may klase kami ngayon. Tapos in-announce yung gabi na wala. So, nagsabi ngayon yung teacher namin tol na activity, like pre-test. So, we need to answer that. And I don't know hanggang kailan. So, I think hanggang 10? Sana hindi. Wait. This is very important. Your phone. Wala na naman yung flash ko. Oh my god. So, flash. You know, I put a flash. So, and also use a powder. I know you guys are judging me now, so don't. So I'm done. Now I look like a hot dog in a rice cooker. Wala akong hot dog sa rice cooker. Yun. So, yun lang. Wait, ay. Hindi pa nga pala ako nag-medyas. So, wait niyo ako. Nag-medyas na ako. So, mamaya. So, punta na ako sa school. Tapos na ako mag-ayos. Like, check. Check. So see you na lang pag nasa school na ako. Hey, so change plan kita. Diba sabi ko kanina pag nasa school ako? Hindi na ako tumulog doon. Ito na ako tumulog sa bahayan dahil sabi ko kanina magpapadental ako. So kung doon ako pumunta mag-commute ako is sayang pamasahe. Ano man na pamasahe? Di balikan. So siya, dito lang ako muna. So pa lang kasi ang aga ko wala pa si Doc. So I'm keeping quiet. It doesn't look like. So actually kita na update ko na lang kayo pag may nangyayari ganda kasi nagawa pa ako ng activity. Hindi ko get, so I'm trying my best. So kita ko na lang kayo, balikan ko na lang kayo. Bye!
And after that, pumunta ako dito sa shawarmahan para bumili ng shawarma rice and para na rin sa tanghalian ko. So, ito yun, no? Yan, shawarma rice. So, dito na rin ako kumain, and after ko kumain, pumunta naman ako dito sa may Buko Juice. Doon lang sa labas lang. Yan lang. Punta lang ako dyan, uminom. Tig 20 pesos. Pwede na siya. Pwede, masarap naman. It tastes like Buko Juice. So, yeah, yun lang. And ayun, pagkatapos niya, pumunta na ako sa school dito sa tabi ng building namin. So, ayun, nagtambay-tambay lang kami dyan. Nagsa-video lang ako kasi why not? Again, why not? So, yun. Ayun, binigyan ko rin yung sa Palayan. Sa Palayan. So, yun lang.
So, hi guys. Time check is 11:56. 11:56 na sa may pa namang 1 yung namin klase ata. Sunod pa naman ata. Sunod na kami sa building ng engineering. Sa second floor. So, update ko na lang ulit kayo pag may nangyaring maganda. Bye! Update. Time check. Time check, 3:06. So, may isa pang oras bago ang sakuna. So, balikan ko na lang kayo if tapos na yung quiz. Bye-bye! Update. Nakalimutan ko mag-video sa school. And yeah, nakauwi na ako ngayon. Hopes and prayers na lang, sabi ko. Yes, so kakain muna ako then yeah. So, let's talk. I apologize, guys. So, hindi ako nakapag-video kanina. Hindi ko kayo na-update nung quiz na kasi taranta na ako. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to answer. So, that's what I felt. And, hindi na rin ako nakapag-video nung patapos na dahil yeah, I'm overstimulated. So, I didn't even think about vlogging. I forgot to take a video. Shit. So yeah, I'm eating right now. Ulam ko is munggo and a cold. It's not cold. It's not cold. There's no ice. So I just eat juice without ice. Nothing much happens today. So and yeah, I'm not gonna do this a 1 week video. This took I don't have that a lot of storage. That will not happen. Every video I take is 1 gigabyte. My phone, I'm using my main phone. I don't have a second phone, so I'm using my main phone to take videos and to do my personal things. So I won't do that 1 week vlogs because I'm using my phone and I need storage. So this is gonna be a full video, this a day in my life. Do I have anything to say? No, I think that's it. So thanks you for watching. Who have finished this video because this is my first video. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope to see you again. Please subscribe to me, and yeah, so bye and ingat.
Usame the mess, G5 of the jet. I'm about to catch, I double the bet.